Equal vectors. Two vectors are said to be equal if their magnitude and direction are identical. Suppose this is a vector and it must represent the same physical quantity. Mind it. It must represent the same physical quantity. Suppose this is representing a velocity, and if this is 5 meter per second, and this is in the direction velocity representing, and this is in the direction of northeast, it is in the direction northeast, that means in the northeast. So, and another vector here again, this is 6 Newton, 6 meter per second, and again it is directed towards the northeast. Obviously these two vectors are not equal, but their directions are same. So these two vectors are not equal. Vector AB and vector CD are not equal. Vector AB is not equal to vector CD. Clear? Another vector acting in the direction of north. It is 5 meter per second, but acting in the north direction. These two vectors have the same magnitude, but their directions are different. EF. Also, vector AB is not equal to vector CD, is not equal to vector EF. AB is not equal to CD, AB is not equal to EF. Clear? The magnitude is same, but direction is different. So these two vectors are never equal. Another vector not at this position, if it is 1000 kilometer away, and this vector is 1000 kilometer away from this vector AB, and it is moving in the direction moving with the velocity 5 meter per second, and it is directed in the northeast direction. It is directed in the northeast direction, and this vector is GH. Vector AB is going to be equal to GH. So you can write vector AB is equal to vector GH. What we learned that two equal vectors must be parallel to each other. Two equal vectors must be parallel to each other, may not be in same plane. I have drawn AB and GH are in same plane. That is plane in which my paper is. It could be here also, out of the plane, any plane, anywhere. If it is in the northeast direction, and if it is it has to be equal with vector AB, then its magnitude has to be 5 meter per second. So even this GH vector is 1000 kilometer away from vector AB, but it is acting in the direction of northeast, and its velocity is also 5 meter per second. So we can write that vector AB is equal to vector GH. That means both these vectors are equal. So equal vectors are parallel to each other, and they must have the same magnitude. Equal vectors must be parallel to each other and must have the same magnitude.